Hi guys, today we are in Aikun, a global source electronics fair. Today Aikun, as you guys know, today Aikun is one of the most important globally leader for keyboard and mouse accessories. We are today in Aikun, we're showing a new product. We would like to demonstrate for you guys a new product which is gaming category and also with office and home use category. Today Aikun showing the most high technology magnetic switches category, which is already just finished this year. This magnetic category is a 3D digital switches category. It's one of the best in the world for mechanical switches. The design inside built on all magnetic switches or swappable switches is up to 100 million click, and is 3D digital magnetic switch, which is never happened before for mechanical switch. We are the one of the best company now, and we are the one of the earliest company who have this product right now. All the body made from a metal case, aluminum case, and all with very nice RGB backlight, all programmable backlight. You can control all the macro function, and all inside is DIY design. This is one of the best product now in the market for mechanical keyboard right now. The only one in the show now is Aikun, who showing the 3D digital mechanical switch. This is one of the best. So I would like to demonstrate for you more product about what is Aikun doing. Aikun also doing a category for a product which is like a office semi-vertical mouse. This is one of the best mouse now in the show. It gets the Best Global Award winner for the best product in the show this year. The mouse itself is semi-vertical mouse. Is built in the biggest LCD screen, digital screen, built-in mouse, which is 1 inch digital screen inside. This is the first for the mouse technology now. The embedded with multifunction click. So you can control all your software and all your keys from one click here. You can programmable all the switches here, and also the LCD, the HD LCDs give you a very clear dedication for your battery, your connection, and also the polling rate for the mouse and DPI. So this is one of the smart intelligent mouse, because also we built in AI technology inside this mouse, embedded AI technology, so you can conversation and you can talk in with this mouse BT120X-R. You can talk in with this mouse and you can ask him whatever you want to work for you. You can ask him, please make a BBT for me for some technology, for some talking about your company, or please make for me some 3D design. So the mouse will go for AI technology and will make the best design for you guys, or making the BBT with only one click. This is the first in the show AI mouse technology with a semi-vertical mouse. That's why today in Aikun we get the best of show award for this product. It's all over winner for Aikun product. If you guys look here, this is one of the function we say is 30. You just charging for 30 minutes. You can use it up to 15 hours. So we built in inside the fast technology charging IC embedded inside to help you to just fast charging and the long time battery life. Also is up to three function for connection function, which is 2.4, and the Bluetooth function as well. And at the same time you can use it as wired. So we can work with this mouse as wired and as 2.4 wireless, and also Bluetooth 5.1 two version, 2-channel Bluetooth. Also the distance for this mouse for using distance is around 33 feet, which is around 10 to 11 meter distance. And the battery life, it's working up to 85 hour, which is already with full function and with high DPI and with a high polling rate, because this mouse can up to 1000 polling rate inside. And also we built in inside a very nice, very durable switches, which is up to 20 million click switch. We have two type of switch. We have Omolon switch inside, and we also have Huayno switch for this mouse. Also we built in inside a multi-function for programmable function. You can buy software. Also, you can change all the side keys here. You can adjust according to your needs with the software and the macro function inside. We have 14 key inside the mouse. This mouse embedded with 14 key. You can adjust all with the software. The BX-R, we're using a BX-R 3212 solution inside, so you can update it to 4800, and also we have a solution using 3310, and also we're using 3325 for this one. So it also can be an office gaming mouse as well, and it's up to 8 and 10,000 dpi. The best here also we have in this mouse is, as I said before, it is embedded with AI technology, so you can contact it with your requirement. You can ask the mouse to help you to doing any office working, or to help you to doing any BBT or drawing some function for you. So the mouse itself, it's built in, embedded with a very high clear and digital microphone, so you can talk in with your mouse, and the mouse will start to understand your language. And the mouse already, it is multi-language, so whatever your language is, you can talk in with the mouse, with Arabic, with English, Spanish, Chinese, whatever you, or Italy as well. So whatever you are doing with your work, you just asking your mouse to do and help you whatever you want. It will go and find for you and search for you online, or make for you the best draw design, or write for you the best PPT. So it will save a lot of your time. If you're using this mouse, you will do a lot of work with a very short time, and it is designed for semi-vertical design, so it's always very comfortable when using. And with the long battery life, you no need to hesitation about the low battery or lose the battery during your work. And it's rechargeable Type-C design, so it will work with all your convenient cable, so you no need to carry a lot of cables as well. So from outside design here, you can guys to see it is very nice design, and as I said, is the first and is the one in the world now is called AI digital screen mouse. Come from Aikun. So this one of the best product today I want to demonstrate for you. Also, if you look around here, we have some more product here coming. Is also very nice product. I can also give you a very briefly about what we are doing in Aikun. Aikun doing a product which is really look design and durable, and also the price point we care so much as Aikun already in this market over 20 years. In the market, we only focus on keyboard and mouse and input-output devices. So that's why for our product, we always stand in front. And as I can see, many of the other people are trying to follow our footsteps. And this is why Aikun is very famous and very successful and developing company. Since we start the company in 2004 until today, we're still growing up, and we're still doing a lot of new technology and new product. So I hope you guys will like this video, and if you need more information, please check the link below, or contact with Aikun Teamwork, or visit our website with aikun.co. Thank you, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.